never done anything like this in my life. It's the middle of the night. Can you see that? And I've got a head torch on at Skomer, and there's something called shearwaters flying in. Oh, it's just me, mate.
Your thing's ever so good because you've that's it, that beam.
Yeah.
Crazy because.
Oh, is that good? Is it?
Yeah, yeah. Lift it up a little bit. That's it. No, like I say, that's it. Oh, you can see him. See then.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's amazing.
It's the only
Yeah.
way you'd be able to like film them with that thing you got on your head. Oh, hang on then.
Oh God.
I see it land then.
Yeah, I know. I can't hear this horrific sound they keep going on about though. I can hear a little sound, but nothing real scary.